Hello, good evening. I'd like to teach you the lesson all about direct speech and indirect speech. Try to understand what is direct speech. Narrating the actual word spoken by a person without any change is called direct speech. Ahmad said, I am busy now. Ahmad said, I am busy now. I am busy now. It is written under the inverted comma. It is direct speech. The narration has two parts: reporting speech and reported speech. The reporting speech, Ahmad said, it is reporting speech. I am busy now, it is reported speech, which is written under the inverted comma. The first sentence, without the comma, without the inverted comma, it is reporting speech. He said. Said is a reporting speech. The word in the reporting speech is called reporting word. And the word in the reported speech is called reported word. Now I would like to tell you how to change the direct speech into indirect speech. How to change the direct speech into indirect speech. If the rules, listen me carefully, if the word of the reporting speech is in present tense, if the verb of the reporting speech is in present tense, then the following changes take place. The reporting speech in present tense, and you are going to change into indirect speech. Then there will be no change of tense in reported speech. Present tense remain present tense. I mean present indefinite remain present indefinite, present continuous remain present continuous, present perfect remain present perfect, present perfect remain present perfect, and present perfect continuous will be written in present perfect. But there will be change of pronoun. You have to change the pronoun and other changes as per the rule. But the tense will be same. No change at all. Now listen some sentences. He says, I do my work. It is reported speech. He said, I do my work. Indirect speech, he said that he does his work. He says that he does his work. No change in tense. Another sentence, present continues. He said, I am doing my work. He said that he is doing his work. He said, he is changing to, I is changing to he. He is doing his work. My work is changing to his work. He says, he is doing his work. Next, present perfect. He said, I have done my work. He said that he has done his work. Present perfect continuous. He says, I have been doing my work. He said that he has been doing his work. Right? Now come to past tense. If the reporting speech is in present tense, then there will be no change when you are going to change it into indirect speech. No change of tense. He says, I did my work. Simple present, simple past. He says, it is reporting a speech. I reported a speech. I did my work. He says that he did his work. Now, simple past continuous. He says, I was doing my work. He says that he was doing his work. Now come to past perfect. He says, I have done my work. He says, I have done my work. He says that he has done his work. Just I is changed into he. Now, past perfect continues. He says, I have been doing my work. He says that he had been doing his work. He had been doing his work. Past perfect continues. Now, come to future. He says, I will do my work. Always remember all the sentences that reporting speech is in present tense. There will be no change in the reported speech word. He says, I will do my word. He said that he will do his word. Future continues. He says, I will be doing my work. I shall be doing my work. He said that he will be doing his word. Future perfect. He said, I will have done my work. He said that he will have done his work. He says, he will have been doing his work. He says, I will have doing my work. He said that he will have doing his work. Okay? There is no change at all. Always remember all the sentences that I teach you, that I taught you, is all about the direct and indirect. Okay? Thank you very much.